Building sales funnel in the Smart Center Chatbot Constructor. Hi guys, my name is Yulia Zatsarina. Today I will learn how to build sales funnels in the Smart Center Constructor. Like and subscribe to our channel. From the main console, go to Smart Messenger sections. Now select the funnel menu and we click Create. Write the name of the funnel, for example. If you unclick here, then the funnel will run only once of the user. If click itself, the user may subscribe to funnel many times. Continue. Here you choose the channel for which this funnel will work. Of course, the channels themselves need to connect in advance here in the channel section. I recommend in the building decide which messenger you will use in your project. Connect these messengers chatbot in the channel section and then proceed the creation of the funnels themselves. For example, I will leave Facebook, Telegram and Viber. I will just turn off the rest. To hide the menu with channel, click here. The next menu allows you to create flexible scenarios in your funnel. We will return to it later. When I need to close, I click in here. By clicking here, this button, you can understand if there are technical errors in your funnels. This is magic wand allows you to distribute block with messages on the panel automatically. Now it doesn't have any blocks. With the plus and minus button, you can zoom in add on the home screen. Here we see the starting step. This is the technical step after which the first message after the subscription will be sent. Let's end the first block with a messenger. Send a message. We have a new block and we need to connect it with the starting step. I just click on this circle and release the mouse button and the line does not disappear. Look, I move on the line there. Now I'm clicking here and the two blocks are connected. Above this block there are 4 icons. By clicking here, you will copy this entire block with the message. By clicking here, you can edit the name of the block itself. For example, 1. The name is 1. By clicking here, you can disable this block from the funnel. And if I click again, this block I can use in my funnel. By clicking here on the basket, you will simply delete the block with the message. Let's now to see the basic settings for the block with messenger. In the top menu, you can also select the channel in which the text of the message will be written. The difference between choosing a channel here and in this messenger block is that here you choose channel for the entire funnel that you will build here. And if you select a channel, a specific block here, then you can change the message only for a specific messenger in this block. I recommend using the infinity icon so that all messengers are automatically filled in, and only then if you need you can edit separately in each messenger. Let's look at the example. I select the text block and I'm writing, "Hi, this is a test message." Now I will select Facebook Messenger and I add number 2. Look, I am switching, for example, Telegram, and I don't see number 2 another messenger. Telegram, Viber, only Facebook Messenger. If I click icon infinity, I don't see number 2 too. There is an icon next to it which allows you to update the data for all messengers to the text that was entered on the infinity icon. Look, I click in here, confirm, and if I go Facebook Messenger, that number 2 has disappeared. Okay, I'm clicking infinity icons. Here below you can add a button to the text. There are only 3 buttons on Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp Messenger, and 5 buttons in one block are available in Telegram, Viber, Constructor. But if you need more than 3 buttons on Facebook, you can add another block with text or in image, and 3 more buttons look like this. For example, I am clicking here, it is image. You can, for Facebook, you can add 3 buttons here and 3 buttons here. If you use Telegram, Viber, you can add 5 buttons here. Yeah. For example, if you need to delete this block, I click in here, deleting. Okay. If I need to delete a button, I click on the button and I am deleting this button. 1 button, yes, 2 and 3, okay, and 4 button. Okay. Each button can have different options. Looks, the basis button leads to the next action. I can change name, for example, next. Okay. If I click in here, it is allow me activation of this button several times. If I don't click in here, the user can activation this button only one time. Okay, I click in here. You can add any emoji close by this button. For example, I am clicking here and I can choose emoji. Okay. If I click in here, I can choose some variables. I see standard field. For example, first name, full name, email, font, and another. If you need another field, you need to create this field and you can choose this field in here. Okay. Next, the button to buy. You can add products by selling here. By clicking on this button, the subscriber will be able to pay for these products. It's first time you need to create these products and you can choose products here. The button open website allows you to add link to the site. For example, I copy this link. Yeah. If you need save information, you can put save. If you need delete this button and information, click in delete. Pay and order allows you to pay for the basket with the selected products. We'll return to it later. Subscribe recurrent button will allows you to make recurring charges, but it is important that your payment system supports such payments. The subscribe to another channel button allows you to resubscribe user, for example, for a Facebook channel to a Telegram if you need it. And I am saved base button, save. And when I talk about earlier, you can deleted this block, you can move this block. For example, I add next text block and I can move this block. Okay, here I moved, I can copy it and I can delete this block. Yes, you can add more to each block with Messenger. For example, video, audio, image, files, gallery. It must be remembered that the channels are technically different. For example, I select the gallery and see a red triangle. When I hover it, I can read what the error is, namely, the gallery doesn't not work in Viber, Facebook. There is no such technical possibility. Okay, I'm deleting this block. Between block with Messenger, you can add delay between sending, for example, 5 seconds. I added some text block, something text, and I'm add a delay block, for example, 5 seconds. You can also add a block with print visibility. In here, typing. As you can see, not all Messenger support it. So we go here to Messenger and simply delete this block. I am go Viber, okay, for example, Viber, red, and I am deleting typing only here. Deleting. Next my step it is icon infinity, and another messengers I see block typing. Facebook, Telegram, not only Viber. In here. And very important, the block input. Okay. User input. Using it, we can keep the user response in his profile. For example, we ask you to enter a phone number. Go here and choose where exactly to save the answer. Phone is a standard variable here and is available when you select the type of the variable itself. But if I want to write the answer in another field, I must be create in the variable section, and then here I can choose the names of this field. I click here when save this value to contact fields, and I need to click done when save these settings. Okay. If after the button we have transitioned to the next block, then we connected it like this. Then the subscriber will receive this messenger only if he clicks this button. I add new send messenger and click on the button and next block. But in here, continue, I still on option to continue automatically. This means that the user will receive all messages at once. Yes, I sent another messenger automatically. It is messenger for C, for example. In here, maybe it is name and text name, and I'm editing, yeah. When user click button next, he immediately receive messages too. If user subscribing on these funnels, he receive these messages and immediately receive the messages. Click on preview and let's go on, for example, Telegram Messenger and see. I click start. My next step, I need to share my phone number. After I am received message 3. If I'm clicking here, this button, I receive the message 2. Yes, it is message 2. You need to understand the user receive this messenger only 10th phone number. If I am deleting this and I'm doing preview, I receive all messengers immediately. Next, it is button 2 messengers. 3 messengers, it is text on the first block. In here, it is delay, it is typing, it is my text in the first block, and I receive 3 blocks. All changes in the funnel are saved automatically. But in order for the funnel to work for the subscriber, it must be published here. If you need edit, you click button edit. Now we saw how working the button preview. It is important to understand that if a user enters your chatbot and simply writes the word start, nothing will happen to him. You can build hundreds of funnels on the platform, and you need to tell the bot which funnel to run on the subscriber. For example, if a subscriber found your bot himself, which happens very rarely. People themselves are not looking for a bot. However, if you have a Facebook page connected, then the user having written to the messenger of your page will of course subscribe to the bot. So, invite people to subscribe to the chatbot through a landing page or deep link. We will talk about how to create them in another video. And so friends, you learned how to create your messages in various instant messengers. Watch our new lesson on working on the Smart Center platform and building effective sales funnels. Like and subscribe to our channel right now. Don't miss new video tutorials.